Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to discuss a new app that I found called Zynn, Zynn. I don't really do these type of videos very often, but I do when I find an app that I think is genuinely worth to download and probably one of the best things that I've discovered while in quarantine. So it's called Zynn. It's kind of like TikTok. It's got a similar concept. I'll open it and show you guys. It'll play a video. So let me just pause that. But basically, it's the same type of thing. You play the video, and at the bottom, there's a little bar with a present, and when you play the video, it'll go around and earn you points. So yeah, it'll go around, and then once it gets around, you'll earn points, which can be exchanged into cash. So let me click on the present and show you guys. So here's like your kind of your home page. If you just click on my balance, the little number there, I have $97.02 in my account right now. I have 348 points, which is only worth about 3 cents because I just did a cash out like 15 minutes ago. So but yeah, what you do is you watch videos and you get these points up in here in the my points section, and you click redeem, and then you slide the bar all the way over and you click redeem, and then that will turn into 3 cents, and that will go into your cash balance on this side. Now you're not going to be making like $100 unless you get like people to use your referral code, which I'll get to in a minute. But you can make up to $1 a day just watching the videos, and I recommend that you do, because after 5 days you just got yourself a $5 gift card, and it only takes 45 minutes to get $1 on this app. But yeah, but once you get your money, you can click on the withdraw and redeem page. I've already withdrawn $50 today, so that's why it says only withdraw chance per day. But here's your page, and you can click the amount you want, but this is for PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, or you don't know what that is, you can always go over to the gift card section, redeem Amazon, Walmart, and all of these different things. They've even got Taco Bell, delicious. But yeah, so they've got all these different kinds of things that you can do with this money that you make from watching videos. It's pretty simple. It's just like TikTok, except you get paid for it, and it's pretty great. So yeah, you convert the points over, and bam, money. Now, back to the referral thing that I mentioned earlier. If you invite people, they make $1, and then you also make some money too. So I'll show you. If you click on the thing here and go to cash, see all these pending things? Those are money you get from referring friends, which is how you get the big money on this app. So if you use my code down here at the bottom, RSXLEQY, it'll be in the description if you want to use it to help me out. It really does make a difference, but it's in the description if you want to. If you use the code, you get $1 to start out with, and it'll help you along your way, and it doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, so you just get people to use your code, make money, watch videos, make money, and then you get to redeem it. I redeemed $50 just a couple hours ago, earlier this night. If I scroll down here, cash out $50, May 28th. It's May 28th, or it's May 29th because it's 2 in the morning. But yeah, last night I redeemed the $50, and within probably minutes, seconds, I don't know. So that was what, like 7:31 p.m. is when that came through, when I did the cash out. So if I go over here to PayPal, oh, I gotta log into it. Oops, blur this out. Okay, here we go. So at 7:31 p.m., literally not even a minute after I cashed out, I got the $50 on my PayPal through here. And then immediately after, I did a bank account transfer right into my bank account. I had like 66 cents in there. But yeah, this is the payment from Zynn. It really does work. I'm just as shocked as everyone else. Right now, I think Zynn if I go to the App Store, I think it's right here. Right now, I think Zynn is like #1 in entertainment, even above TikTok. So if you go to Zynn, yeah, #1 in entertainment above TikTok. And yeah, but that's it. What they say is true. It does work and it's great. I love it. So yeah, if you want to try out the app, do me a quick favor and just use my code. It'll be in the description if you just want to quickly look at it while you sign up. It's really simple. It barely takes any of your time, and it really helps out. But yeah, that's the Zynn app. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye.